Betty, honestly, you've been good to me and you deserve better. Y'all know me, I gotta stop and look just to see what they asking for. What's good, guys? So as most of y'all know, I was daily driving Big Betty for quite a while and it was doing great until it wasn't. But I blame myself more than Betty because she tried warning me, but I wasn't listening to the signs until it was way too late. So it's been sitting here for far too long, hasn't been roadworthy. We're gonna fix that today. So go ahead and take a listen. Tell me what you think's going on. Not sure if you can tell by the audio, but our brakes are completely shot. Like the back of the brake pad that's not supposed to make contact with your rotor is making contact. So if you look right here, that doesn't look too horrible, right? But if we check the inside, holy crap. That is so rough. It is toast. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to do rotors on the rear and brake pads all around. That's one layer off. And the second layer. Gonna be two 18 mil bolts holding the caliper on. I'm gonna attempt to get them off. I pulled something working on the Duramax earlier right up under my titty, and I got like no upper body strength right now. So let's see if I can actually break it loose. I think I am. Oh wow, I actually did. Whoever did the brakes on this thing last time did way too many ugga-duggas. Moment of truth. Let's see just how horrible it is. Oh yeah, horrible, horrible. Look at that. That's bad. That's real bad. Look at that. New full-length pads and what we just took off, which is absolutely zero pad, just metal on metal. And that should be good. Now, yes, it did have slotted and drilled rotors on it, but I'm sure they were just eBay specials. So I just picked up some, what is this, CarQuest from Advance Auto. And these do come in with a greasy kind of coating on them. I think it's to prevent rust. Supposed to spray it off with brake clean, but your boy thought he had some and didn't buy any. So you know what? We're just gonna send it. It's gonna be fine. And if you think I should just go back to the store and get a can so that I don't lead the youth astray, do as I say, not as I do. Go to the store yourself. I don't feel like doing it today. Okay. Slide this guy on. Please cooperate. Just cooperate, please. All done with the rear. Time to knock out the fronts. Well, I was excited to show y'all doing the front because it's like 99% easier than doing the rear, but I guess I should have peeked a little bit better at the brake pads because they are clearly still in really good condition. So I just leaned over the tire with my phone stuck up in there and they look like they were low, but they are clearly not. So I'll throw that all back together, return those front pads, but let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive, see how Betty feels with the new rear brakes. Come on. Nice, Hubert. Do y'all notice anything? Because I did the other day, and it's been driving me nuts ever since. You see that exhaust tip? You see that one? Do they look even anymore? Because they sure don't to me. Should be tucked up like that, but this one's hanging, and if you feel it, she's flopping because we have a freaking broken exhaust hanger. That is so annoying. We're gonna rig it up though. We got redneck mod of the day using some wire to hopefully string up our exhaust so it no longer flops until we can get down to the exhaust shop and get it re-welded. It's like this because it's kind of in a bind. As you might can tell, this has been pushed this away, so it's just one of those cases where it was kind of forced right here and welded, and then it's not happy there, so it eventually broke. It's not dumb if it works, right? So for the time being, at least, our wire exhaust job mod is working good. Got our exhaust tips nice and even.
Today, guys, we are in Big Betty, and today we have my little doggy Hubert. Hi, Dad, say hi. Dad, say hi.
Out there talking about Hubert. What up, guys?
What up, guys?
Now I got a question for you.
What?
Now you remember last time you rode in Big Betty, what was going on?
I do not.
Do you remember we went to Advanced Auto Parts? We were hearing a noise.
Yeah.
Do you remember? The brakes?
Yeah.
Do you hear them now?
Yeah.
No, you don't. I fixed them.
No, you fixed them.
Yeah, bro.
Why don't we stop right here? Houston literally just fell down. Hey guys, we're just waiting here for show to my dad. We're waiting here to get the gas and yeah.
I tell you what, it never ceases to amaze me how good this thing looks when it's clean. Did a little 10-minute vacuum, 20-minute wash job, and man, did it do wonders. Y'all saw we just threw the third row in here. It's been sitting in the basement. Don't want it getting all moldy and stuff. Oh man, it feels good to be in here again. I tell you what, I hadn't let it get that bad in any of my vehicles, possibly ever, but definitely in a long time. That was rough. I was feeling claustrophobic just driving around in here. Also, check this out. Yeah, that's your boy. Found that the other day. Got Knox's baseball, his game ball from baseball. He hit a home run and got the game ball, which is sick. Oh, man. I tell you what, people sleep on the GMT 900s. I love it. This might be my favorite interior ever. And I've had much newer. It just feels right in here. Just feels right. Also, reason number like 510 why chrome wheels are better than polished. Because if you'd have left your polished wheels out for the month that this did, yeah, you'd have to have about 24 hours of polishing to get them things back clean, whereas I took 5 minutes with a mitt and they're spit shined. Y'all know me, I gotta stop and look just to see what they asking for it. Got the Yukon Denali, 161,000 miles, same interior as Betty, $8,200. I ain't gonna lie, that's cheap. This could be a 6.0 all-wheel drive. Got some paint problems, that for sure. Summit white. Bro, that ain't bad, though. I mean, I don't know if it's as good as freaking Big Betty, but aside from the paint, that's a solid deal. Now, let's check this beast out while we're over here. 1990. 311,000 miles, 5,500 bucks. Yeah, I'd be more inclined to get the Denali over there than this thing, just because this is a 90. I'm more of a, 90, 95, 96 plus. I don't know. But dude, that freaking Yukon that's not bad. Let's see, is it 2-wheel drive? It's 4-wheel drive. So that is all-wheel drive. That's gonna be probably a 6.2 all-wheel drive truck. Off the roof. Yeah, it's got the old Summit white problems for show. That's definitely cheaper than I was expecting.